Kitola, this is week 16. HIV human immunodeficiency virus remains a significant global health challenge with millions living with the early detection and treatment are critical in preventing progression to AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome, a condition where the immune system is severely damaged, leading to vulnerability to infections and associated cancers.
HIV testing is essential for early diagnosis, and various methods are available including blood tests performed at clinics or self-tests that can be used at home. Regularly, screening is particularly important for individuals at high risk, such as those engaging in unprotected sex, people who inject drugs, and those with HIV-positive partners. By knowing one HIV status, individuals can be treatment which significantly improves outcomes and prevents transmission to others. Ito.
I'm Reto. The symptoms of HIV vary across each stage. In the early stage, many experience flu-like symptoms such as fever, sore throat, and swollen lymph nodes. But some may not show symptoms at all. As the virus progresses, untreated individuals may experience more severe symptoms like weight loss, prolonged fever, cough, and increased susceptibility to opportunistic infections such as tuberculosis and certain cancers. While HIV currently has no cure, antiretroviral therapy has transformed the disease into manageable chronic conditions. ART helps lower the viral load to undetectable levels, allowing individuals to live healthy lives. However, maintaining strict adherence to treatment is crucial to prevent resistance and further health complications. With early diagnosis and consistent treatment, the prognosis for people with HIV has improved dramatically, reducing the likelihood of progressing to HIV/AIDS and enabling those with the virus to lead long, healthy lives.
Given sa Laudenis, in conclusion, targeting HIV testing, recognizing symptoms, and a high rate to are an essential component in managing HIV, preventing the progression to AIDS. As awareness and treatment opinion continue to involve individuals living with HIV can live full lives while minimizing the risk of transmission to others.
This is week 17, Kitola. As a seafarer, the lifestyle often involves long periods away from home, making it essential to prioritize personal health and safety, especially when it comes to preventing sexual transmitted diseases. Sexually, STDs, STIs, and HIV/AIDS while being away from home may sometimes lead to risky behaviors. Taking the right preventive measures can significantly reduce chances of contracting or transmitting these infections. One of the most effective methods for safeguarding sexual health is the proper and consistent use of condoms. The proper use of condoms is one of the most accessible and effective ways to prevent transmission of HIV, AIDS, STDs, and STIs. Seafarers, like anyone else, are vulnerable to such infections, but condoms provide a protective barrier during sexual activity, preventing the exchange of bodily fluids that can carry harmful viruses and bacteria. However, it's not enough to simply carry condoms on board. Understanding how to use them properly is key to their effectiveness.
AJ Sahul, the first step is ensuring the condoms are kept in safe place away from direct heat or pressure to prevent damage. Before use it is essential to check the expiration date and packaging for any signs of damage. Once ready to use, the condom should be opened carefully to avoid the urine and should be placed on the penis before any sexual contact use. A common mistake putting the condom on after penetration, which can lead to exposure to bodily fluids and increase the risk of infection.
Consistent condom use, particularly with new partners or when the status of the partner is unknown, is essential. Even in a long-term relationships, or when both partners are tested. Maintaining open communication about sexual health, getting regular STD, STI checks, and using condoms remain important aspects of safe sexual practices. For seafarers who may face unique challenges such as limited access to healthcare or sexual health resources, taking responsibility for personal preventive measures is vital.
Hello, Dennis. In conclusion, while seafarers face particular challenge in maintaining sexual health and proper use condoms, is a simple yet highly effective preventing measure against STDs, STIs, and HIV/AIDS through education, proper application, and regular communication about sexual health. Seafarers can protect themselves from this infection and maintain overall well-being during their time away from home. Staying informed, prepared, and responsible ensure a healthier, safer lifestyle both at the sea and at